slave to Saint Therese, from captive to converter seal, the story of Ireland's patron began in chains and ended in glory.
16 years old, captured by Irish raiders, sold into slavery. Young Patrick tended sheep on cold Irish mountains for 6 brutal years.
After escaping slavery, Patrick returned to Ireland by choice frones to convert the very people who enslaved him.
Three fingers raised mosses. Patrick used the 3-leaf shamrock to teach the Irish about the Holy Trinity.
The bishop's crozier, the staff that drove serpents from Ireland in the most famous legend of St. Patrick.
Irish priests bless each master sculpture on March 16th, the eve of St. Patrick's feast day.
In February and March, production increases tenfold. St. Patrick's Day is the biggest Irish celebration worldwide. These statues will travel to Irish pubs, Catholic churches, and homes across America for St. Patrick's Day celebrations.
Many workers are Irish-American, creating statues of their ancestral patron with personal pride.
Irish green risnan, the color that represents Ireland worldwide, chosen for Patrick's bishop vestments. Each shamrock represents the Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, and Patrick's most famous teaching to the Irish.
gold leaf on the mitre steretons because Patrick became bishop and brought Christianity's golden light to Ireland.
The legend says Patrick drove all snakes from Ireland Sea, though historians say Ireland never had snakes to begin with.
The face must show wisdom earned through suffering, slavery, escape, study, and the mission to convert an entire nation.
Mitre-crowned, crozier-placed priest, the slave becomes bishop, the captive becomes Ireland's spiritual father. On March 16th, the day before St. Patrick's Feast, all statues receive final blessing from Irish priests. Two markets demand these statues: Catholic churches for devotion and Irish pubs for cultural celebration. Every March, 15,000 St. Patrick statues ship to Irish communities from Boston to San Francisco. From British slave to Irish Saint Woe, Patrick's journey mirrors the faith he brought to the Emerald Isle. In Catholic churches, Irish families pray before St. Patrick for protection and blessings on their heritage.
March 17th being St. Patrick's Day Tullow, when 40 million Irish Americans celebrate their patron and heritage.
From pub shelf to cathedral altar knollers, St. Patrick stands guard over Irish hearts everywhere. Patrick's legacy lives in every Irish church, pub, school, and home across America and Ireland. Irish Americans attribute their faith, identity, and pride to the slave-turned-saint who never forgot Ireland. From Ireland to America, Australia to Argentina Faro, St. Patrick's Shamrock and story unite the Irish diaspora globally.
Many workers are descendants of Irish immigrants, and Patrick inspired to keep their faith across the ocean.
Every March 7th, Patrick's mission continues, bringing Irish faith and pride to new generations worldwide. Irish music, dance, and devotion to Dole, all honouring the British slave who chose to return and save Ireland's soul. From slavery in Ireland to sainthood for Ireland, Patrick's impossible journey inspires the Irish worldwide every March 17th.
May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be always at your back prairies. St. Patrick's blessing on all the Irish, forever.
May your blessing